Over the past 3 years, the Russo-Ukrainian war has transformed from a quick-fire conflict into a protracted, uncertain war. Neither side has a clear advantage, and the world is witnessing a new dynamic affecting global geopolitics. In this video, we'll discuss frontline conditions, Russia's strategy, the technology used, and how the world is responding calmly, analytically, and impartially. The current frontline is moving slowly, with friction, often shifting only a few kilometers in a matter of weeks. Cities like Avdiivka, Kasiv-Yar, and Kupiansk continue to be the focus of the fighting, not because of their great value, but because their positions are crucial for logistics and territorial control. Russia maintains gradual pressure, not dramatic major operations, but a series of small, repeated attacks. Each Ukrainian position is pressured with artillery, FPV drones, and small, fast-moving infantry. This strategy is unspectacular but effective in slowly chipping away at Ukrainian defenses. Meanwhile, Ukraine focuses on holding vital points. Ammunition shortages and the need to defend industrial cities force them to prioritize the most critical sectors. The result is intense fighting, but without major changes that drastically alter the course of the war. One of the biggest changes in this war is the role of technology. Russia is now positioning drones as the spearhead of its operations. The Grand 2, Lancet, and thousands of locally developed FPV drones pose a major threat, capable of hitting tanks, artillery, and even individual soldiers with high precision. Artillery remains the foundation of Russian power. Systems S, Gatsin, and rocket Smerch strike Ukrainian supply lines and defensive positions almost daily. On the ground, the T-90M tank has become a new icon. With better protection and a modern sensor system, this tank is quite effective when supported by real-time information from reconnaissance drones. Equally important is electronic warfare. Russia is deploying Krasukolier 3 and Pol-21 to jam Ukrainian drones, disrupt GPS, and complicate communications systems. In modern warfare, signal disruption can be the difference between survival and destruction. All of this demonstrates that Russia relies not only on troop numbers, but also on the rapid adaptation of technology that develops during the war. So, what is Russia's strategy going forward? Political signals and military movement patterns suggest that Russia is pursuing 3 major goals. First, force Ukraine into negotiations from a defensive position. By gradually gaining territory, Russia hopes Ukraine will enter negotiations